Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Yebo, sikhona silapha kwakhona. In keeping with the March and March, ophakela umthakathi nongizwe. The latest we see that is kuthiwa imisebenzi has been created from a movement yange 30 June, where we saw foreign nationals having to leave or leaving the country back to their respective countries. And then uphakela umthakathi lo was addressing city kukune 1 million jobs as a create. And then so far I think it was Mpangeni or Nongoma, I'm not between us on down, kukhona abantu abayi 2000 to date abaqashiweyo as a result of abantu who are foreign abahambileyo. And then I ask myself, boy, kuyafuneka sometimes yani ingqondo ke ibe lapha siyisebenzise. Number one, there are no jobs that have been created as a result of chasing away foreign nationals. Vale lonto siyi-understand futhi sixole nje ezinhliziyweni zethu. Ababantu who esithi mabahambe, they in fact are the ones who have created jobs. Why am I saying this? Uyabona masize market area apha ndihlala khona, because afuna bethethe into ekude kunami, mfuna uthele lento ndiyibona ngamehlo. Siye eMatatiele, again into endiyibona ngamehlo. Ematatiele, when there was ilento as marches, on 2 occasions apha ke kwavalwa khona shops ze foreign nationals. And ndiqaphele into enye phaba kwezi shops ze foreign nationals, abantu abasebenza khona on average as jobs ziqasha abantu abathathu who are South African. And because baye bavala shops zabo, those people were without imisebenzi ngezamini. Again, the same story here in market. Abantu abaninzi who are owning shops, that is at downtown, who are owning salons at downtown, nase lapha xa unyukela phezulu ngase rank. Those shops and those salons isikakhulu abantu abaqashwe phana zezi foreign nationals. I mean zezi South African citizens. Foreign nationals, they just own a business. But abantu abasebenza khona nga-3 nga-5 ngabantwana balapha eSouth Africa. So abo bantu ke ngoku, if sithatha a census okanye sithatha siyabala inani labo lingakanani, ufumanisa ba eli nani liyagqitha le kweli nani athi uphakela umthakathi ba create imisebenzi follow nengu 2000. So yabona ngoku lento ba ayinangqondo mncamncam lento. Yabo, we are taking 10,000 people out of jobs and then sinika by 2,000, and then sithi ngoku yabo lo mentality ibhadlile lonto. 2,000 sithi bafumene imisebenzi, kodwa 10,000 izohlala emakhaya ingabi namsebenzi. Yabona asilwini into yokuthi i-March and March nophakela umthakathi mhlambi lento bayenzayo is it right or wrong. Into esilwana nayo i1 leyo ba ingqondo mayisebenze kuyo yonke into. Mina nomamela uphakela umthakathi, mina osahlulwa nje i-arithmetic yokunga understand ba xa sithi umuntu ungamshaya wanikwa 1 million for the rest of their life, azothi ngoku avela ilasele ngo uthi lo Pokopane life expectancy ngu-70 eSouth Africa, which is again another era, but asikho apho namhlanje. Masithi ke ngulo 70 life expectancy. So uthi ngoku once off mavuluthe joxe nge-70 million. Where is the ingqondo khona? Nyani khayicinga ikhona ingqondo kulonto. Yebo. So like I always say, into xa uyithethayo let it make sense to me. I cannot be a part of into engenza ingqondo, because nami ngondibala kola luhlu lwabantu abangenangqondo. xa ndive ndivuma into just because ndivunyiswa ngumntu xa. We can't, yabona uPatrice Lumumba uthe pha noba senza ntoni bani asikwazi just to get a group of half-naked people coming to tell us uba masiyethathe le direction, and then xa umva lo mntu ethi make sense of this thing ufanele uba uyohluleka kuyichaza, yabo, because abantu be-March and March uqala kulaa Jacinta when need uclever gqithi uyohluleka kuyichaza le nto yakhe and ayenze to make sense to us. But sithi uclever uJacinta, sithi uJacinta is fit to be president, but I understand into basic le ndiyi-explainayo apha uhambisana nento that is taking us nowhere. Yabona le nto to drive away foreign nationals is taking us nowhere. Absolutely, ayisisi ndawo loo nto leyo. Instead it's taking this country backwards, because come, yabona, after next year the very people abagcwalisa izitrato namhlanje in the name of mama i-foreign nationals mazihambe will still be in that position bebekuyo before as much as ziqale, and even worse, because into esingazuyibaleka yilena, most of the people who are South African by nature are people abalazy, who cannot think, abafuna ucingelwa ngomnye umuntu, and that person akukho khalimo ngathwani umuntu yabona lo million kaPhakelo Mthakathi singayinikwa sonke eSouth Africa. I'm telling you akunophela ne-12 months most yaba bantu abazonikwa ezi million if ibingenzeka loo nto, because yazi uba it's just a foolish notion, but masi entertain for a little bit. If ingenzeka loo nto le, most yabo in 12 months time izobe ingacaci ngoba bakhe bafumana loo million. Into efuneka isiyenzile ngoku if sifuna ukuya endaweni sisizwe is to teach the people how to think, is to teach the people abaye kuba zi-fanatics, is to teach abantu benze babe skilled, abantu bayazi ba in order for me to eat I must work, in order for me to eat fanele man be productive. Yabona thina South Africa ngoku most yethu sisi-consumers, we produce nothing, dependent on social grants. Yabona ndike ndava again lo Phakelo Mthakathi nyani le ndiyibetha yonke le ithethayo because ivele ithetha into ezi-weak zodwa. Spoke about imisebenzi ezocreatwa and then kube khona i-pay as you earn and all of those things, then la pay as you earn will pay grants nentoni and all of those things. Yabona in South Africa many years ago abantu bebedependa kwi-social grants bebe 18 million, but of course yenyukile loo nto with especially xa introduce le 350. So masithi give and take ngoku by 20 plus million abantu abadependa kwi-social grants. Pay as you earn wakho ke Phakela ndikubalisela abantu in a bracket into ye-tax eSouth Africa. There's a threshold ofanele ube kuyo before you become a taxpayer, that is to pay as you earn. So ungekafiki kula threshold, most of abantu abaqashiweyo nale misebenzi azoyikhela uPhakelo Mthakathi, they do not form part of la pay as you earn. Anabo yavakana le nto le, because pay as you earn uqala ifana nakwi-businesses, you start paying tax as a business. Xa usenza, I think it's above 180 if I'm not mistaken. If wenza anything less than that, let's say that less than 180 or 150, you are not paying anything that is the company income tax. Nalapha ke ekusebenzeni, if ufumana mhlambi let's say 4,000 or less, you're not paying any pay as you earn. Wena ozoyibhatala i-VAT libhatalwa ngumuntu wonke. Bantu kunika i-10 rand go uhambe uyeshop uyothenga ubisi or noba yintoni ephuma ngalo 10 rand, automatically uyibhatala i-VAT, which is la 15%. So must you understand lo part le, ba le misebenzi athetha ngayo Phakela, i-most yayo lo misebenzi sawufumana ivet kuyo, asizofumana upay as you earn. So really masiyicinge into before si-entertain. As far as Mache is concerned, ayindawo laa nto yeMache isatshona ngoku, uphike noba ndikho.
It seems like now so many South Africans are coming for Uphakela Mthakathi to say whatever that he says is very weak. Like things that he says and everything, which is just something else that people get to notice these things after the damage has been done, after a lot of things has gone south. Yes, because guys, it's a lot, but at least now people are calling him out, which will make him actually to sit down and reflect on himself. When even if you think you are always right, but there will be some time when you sit down alone and think of everything that is happening. Or why are all these people calling me out? Even people that supported me at first, they are now calling me out to say, no, this is wrong. This is just something else. You are getting out of line. And and the other thing again that Uphakela Mthakathi must understand is that sometimes even a leader do listen to his followers. Yes, you can never be always the best. Even the best advisor, in some cases, you will need another advisor to take you back online to say, no, this one is a no, do it like this. So I feel like he must not take everything that is happening now into heart, that people are calling him out, and because it's very normal. This is the reality that we're living in. When you go out, people will call you back to say, no, come to line.